Hey, Jordan here. I just got back from a trip to the Bahamas and I used this SanDisk Extreme Portable SSD. This is a 4 TB hard drive, and I was able to put all my drone footage, underwater footage, GoPro footage onto this. And I've got another one that I've been using as well. So I've been using this for a couple months now. And the reason I switched over to these, you can see here I've got, I can't even pick them all up, but I have a huge mountain of these old hard drives. And when you plug in one of these hard drives, sometimes it can take like 15 seconds to a minute to load. And when I plug in one of these SanDisk Extreme hard drives, it loads immediately. And then the video editing process, as I'm going through all the footage, these just load so much faster. They are SSD, which is a solid state disk. So there's no spinning like with these older disks. So yeah, it does cost a little bit more, but man, it has been worth it. When I'm traveling, just the weight difference between one of these old hard drives versus one of these newer SanDisk ones, man, it's just night and day. And so I've just been super happy. The editing process goes faster. The footage on this just, it loads a lot smoother because it's running at much faster speeds. So if you're looking for a hard drive that you can rely on, that you're traveling, that you need something small and portable, this SanDisk Extreme Portable SSD 4 TB hard drive has been gold for me, and I'd highly recommend it for you too.